drifting down to Santa Fe to ride a bull in a rodeo. He's hooked on a feeling, addicted to a natural high. Don't know why it's appealing, all he knows is he's got to ride. He's addicted to danger, ruled by passion and pride. To pain and fear he's no stranger, but his lust needs to be satisfied. Hooked on an 8-second ride.
I got a good one.
2 big fish on.
I'm tired. I can see him. He's a big guy. He's almost here. Whoa! It's up. Whoa! Whoa! Really a big guy. Whoa! Whoa! Keep it. It's a big one. You get him?
Woo! Nice steelhead.
Wait.
Dandy of a steelhead. Woo!
Nice.
Oh,
Can you
yeah,
keep
that's-
it?
Who's there, Grandpa? I saw him. I saw him. Oh,
Whoa! Yeah! Woo! That's big.
Good fish.
Wow, that's a
yay, Grandpa!
Hey, Edie. What you doing out here? Whose idea was it to go fishing? Me? Wasn't my idea. Yeah, it was your idea. You kept asking to go fishing. Tell me about that hat you're wearing.
My fishing hat.
All right. Okay, let's see you throw them back in then.
I think we should. I really need that metal. Here, let me. No, I can do a metal. It's my job. I got the net whenever we need it. Oh, it's coming on the side. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Keep reeling. You almost got him. Reel, reel, reel.
You sure do.
Big fish.
You sure do.
Oh, here he comes. I got the net ready. There he is. Oh, it's another rainbow trout.
All right. You got him.
Dad, can we eat? Let's let it go.
Want to let him go?
Yeah. And
Okay.
I want to have a big old fish. Oh. Look at his fin. Look at his fin.
Wow, look at the color on that.
Whoa. How big. Whoa. And mine is the darker one.
Oh, I got one in. Oh, he's huge.
Oh my goodness. Get ready.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Look at the size of that thing. Good grief.
Oh, he's right there.
I'm coming, bud. I'm coming.
I'm backing up. I'm backing up.
Yeah, good idea. Yeah, you got the gypsy.
Holy cow, that one is big. I can't believe I reeled it in by myself. Oh, he's big. He's huge.
Where are you? Here we go. Here we go. Keep going front.
I'm going.
Lift up your tip. Lift up your tip.
I am. Oh, that thing.
Oh,
Yeah, we got him.
good grief. Nice.
Holy cow, that was scary.
Whoa, good job.
That
man.
was scary.
Holy smokes.
Two fish on. Oh, cow. What is on this thing?
Heavy, isn't it? Looks like we crossed it.
On that, Dad. Oh, wow.
Nice fish. Okay, start backing up, Eli.
That is a big one, Dad.
Stand.
Holy cow, this mine is giving a fight.
You're doing good. You're about there.
Real up here. Oh.
Tip up. Tip up.
My tip is up. That's your fish.
Lake, buddy, it's a big lake.
Laker? Great. Dad, yours is jump. Yours is like heck of a big fish. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Holy cow, it's a Laker! I got a Laker! Wow. It's a Laker, dude. I can't believe it. I got a Laker. Oh, Dad! Holy cow! Holy cow! I caught a fish.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No way. Okay, you got me another net. I got a big king over here.
Cool. Here, go, Dad. That is so big.
Got a nice king at the end. He just broke my fishing pole.
Oh man.
Come on, big boy, right here. Come on.
We're good.
You don't even fit in the net.
And I caught a lake trout.
Is he a Laker?
Yeah, that's a Laker.
Well, let me get over there to the net.
Holy cow, I got a salmon.
Okay, start. You got to back up then,
I
bud.
can't. This is.
Oh, you're stuck?
That's my salmon. There's vines everywhere.
Okay, start back. Start back.
It's about the size of the ones. I can't believe it. I got a lake trout. Excuse me. It's a lake. I mean, a lake trout.
There we go. We got it. Holy cow, the boat's full of fish. All
Yeah.
right, let's get a quick picture on him and throw him back.
Here he comes.
Another Laker.
Yay! So these are my two big salmon. King of the water right here. This is another big guy. Salmon. King salmon.
Those are as big as you are, Eli.
I know, and they're way heavier than I am. Yeah, they're so teeth. Look at them. Look at those teeth. Listen, I'm like a big guy.
Ooh, all right.
Does not pop because it's heated.
Go ahead. Good catch, bud.
Yeah, Dad, there's a fish.
Yes.
Got him.
All right, guys.
That was
Nice
awesome.
catches.
So, like, first, Audrey had something on her bobber, but it got away, and then all of a sudden, and then just, wait, and then all of a sudden, Audrey went down. We got it in.
We
got
better
it
let
in.
him go, bud. We better let him go.
I want to keep this guy.
We better let him go. Here, Audrey, let yours go.
And also,
Just soft set him over the side. Well, it didn't take him long.
hold him like that, and it'll take like that. Whoa.
He's got some black up in his gills, and as you can see, lots of colors in this big dorsal fin, and the blues and the greens and pretty colors. And then look at these fins here. Very pretty fish. Edie's first ice fishing pike. Okay, you set him back in. Eli's just headed off After the other. Okay, put him in the hole, Edie.
Put him in. Okay.
Keep reeling. Woo. Ooh, it's a nice one, Edie. Good, good, good. It's a real nice one.
Think we'll get him in?
Can't pull it. Very good drag. There
Yay!
you go, Edie. Woo! Edie, what do you got there?
Pike.
What is it?
Pike.
Yeah, who caught it?
Me.
Yes, you did.
Now, well, I got my second pike of the day. On this guy finally got us a fish. This is our fourth pike of the day, I think. And he goes. Fourth. Woo! See you later, dude. Woo! Didn't even see that coming. Yeah! Well, he got my third pike right when I got that other one way over there. Yeah, so here he goes.
What'd you catch him on?
A jig. A lake trout jig. It was weird. All right, we got Audrey's pike right here. Away he goes. Oopsies. Away he goes. There he goes. Bye.
Good catch, Aud.
So awesome. Slimy.
Nice fish.
Yeah. I caught 4 other of these. My dad caught 3 of these. Dad caught 0 of these. I caught 1.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. If I can make a living from walking in the woods, you can bet I'd be sitting pretty good high on a hill, looking at a field downwind. If I can make a nickel off of turning in bass, never worry about the price of gas, I've been wheeling and dealing and sitting there reeling them in. Hunting, fishing, loving every day, that's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting and fishing and loving every day. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I'm getting red dirt rich and Flint River paid. Hunting, fishing, and loving every day. I get a little farm pond buzz, sound of gravel when I'm backing up, pulling a string on a 9.92 stroke Murphy. I love it when my baby wants to roll with me, throws her boots on, climbs in a tree, tucking her hair in my hat and she's ready to go. And we get to hunting, fishing, loving every day, that's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting and fishing and loving every day. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I'm getting red dirt rich and Flint River paid. Hunting and fishing and loving every day, yeah. While y'all are up there, breathing in that old dirty air, I'll be down here, knee deep in the muck of leaf. Hunting and fishing, loving every day, I wanna see them tall pines sway. Y'all close them eyes, let's go there in our mind. Hunting and fishing and loving every day, that's the prayer this country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting and fishing and loving every day, I get red dirt rich pink rod and reel. She's doing almost everything but sitting still, talking about her ballet shoes and training wheels and her kittens. And she thinks we're just fishing. I say Daddy loves you, baby, one more time. She says, I know, I think I've got a bite. And all this laughing, crying, smiling, dying here inside's what I call living. And she thinks we're just fishing on the riverside, throwing back what we could fry, drowning worms and killing time, nothing too ambitious. She ain't even thinking about what's really going on right now, but I guarantee this memory's a big one, and she thinks we're just fishing. She's already pretty like her mama is, gonna drive the boys all crazy, give her daddy fits. And I better do this every chance I get, 'cause time is ticking, yeah it is. And she thinks we're just fishing on the riverside, throwing back what we could fry, drowning worms and killing time, nothing too ambitious. She ain't even thinking about what's really going on right now, but I guarantee this memory's a big one, and she thinks we're just fishing. She ain't even thinking about what's really going on right now, but I guarantee this memory's a big one, and she thinks we're just fishing. Yeah. Oh, she thinks we're just fishing. We ain't only fishing. This ain't about fishing.
You thinking about calling in sick, or just blowing off work, and drive right by that exit sign where I punch the clock from 9 to 5. I roll the window down, park my truck down at the dock, and see if this cell phone can skip like a rock. You can spend your whole life trying to make a killing, but what's it all worth without a little living? Don't wanna look back at all the things I miss and wake up wishing I spent more time fishing, yeah. More time fishing, yeah. I don't care if I don't catch a thing as long as I catch hand. Just a couple cheap fold-up seats, I can sit out on the bank and hold your hand. Yeah, I'm tired of wasting my time on traffic jams and boss mans and chasing it down. You can spend your whole life trying to make a killing, but what's it all worth without a little living? Don't wanna look back at all the things I'm missing and wake up wishing I spent more time fishing, yeah. a little more